Hello everyone, today we are solving another fun and interesting age-related word problem. Here's the question. Emma is 8 years old and Jake is 5 years old. How old will Jake be when Emma is 16? The options are A 10, B 13, C 14 and D 15. Take a moment to think about it, pause the video if you need to, and don't forget to comment your answer below before we solve it together. Ready? Let's get started. Alright, so let's begin with what we know. Emma is currently 8 years old and Jake is 5 years old. First, let's find the difference in their ages. Since 8 minus 5 equals 3, we know that Jake is 3 years younger than Emma. And this age difference will always stay the same. Now the problem asks us to find Jake's age when Emma is 16. Since Jake is always 3 years younger than Emma, we can simply subtract that age difference from 16. So 16 minus 3 equals 13. That means when Emma is 16 years old, Jake will be 13 years old. The correct answer is B 13. Now let's take on another challenge. Here's the next question. John is twice as old as his son. If their combined age is 60, how old is John? The options are A 25, B 30, C 35 and D 40. Take a moment to think about it, pause the video if you need to, and don't forget to comment your answer below before we solve it together. Ready? Let's dive right in. Alright, let's break it down. We know that John is twice as old as his son. So if we call his son's age X, then John's age will be 2x because he is twice as old as his son. Next, we are told that their combined age is 60. This means the son's age plus John's age equals 60. So we get the equation x plus 2x equals 60. Now let's simplify that. X plus 2x is the same as 3x, so we have the equation 3x equals 60. To solve for x, we divide both sides by 3. This means the 3 cancels out on the left side, leaving us with just x. On the right side, we have 60 divided by 3, which gives us x equals 20. That means the son is 20 years old. Since John is twice as old as his son, we can now find the John's age by multiplying his son's age by 2. 2 times 20 equals 40. So John is 40 years old. The correct answer is D 40. I hope this explanation helped make things clear. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe and share it with your friends. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.